How to make your brows look natural. Eyebrows continue to hold the spotlight in the beauty community. When done right, they can transform the way you look and how you feel, but achieving this can also be challenging. To help you achieve natural-looking brows, here are some tips when filling them in and addressing thinning brows with Eyebrow Embroidery Singapore. Tips when filling in brows. Drawing your brows can be a challenge, but you can improve your techniques and skills with these tips and tricks. Prepare brows. Brow preparation can be tricky, especially if you go overboard with the tweezing or maintenance in general. Be careful not to clean out the brows close to the starting point since this might affect hair growth. If you want to trim hairs, make sure you only snip them ever so slightly and tweeze stray hairs in the brow bone and below. Use a sharp pencil. When using a brow pencil, make sure it is always sharp to draw clean and precise strokes. You can always add more definition as you go, but if you make a harsh or inaccurate line, it is much harder to correct such mistakes. Flick your pencil. A key technique to getting natural brows is to flick your pencil to create realistic hair-like strokes. Keep the pressure light in each stroke to avoid drawing harsh lines, and follow the direction of your hair growth. Practice this technique until you get the hang of it, and you might be surprised at how natural your brows will look. Clean up with concealer. Once you finish filling in your brows, do not forget to clean it up with concealer. This step helps you define your brow shape to make it look more natural, and remove any sharp edges you may have drawn. Optionally, you can also use a brow gel to set your eyebrows, and keep them looking their best throughout the day. Eyebrow embroidery for thinning brows. If you have thinning brows, eyebrow embroidery can remedy your problem. It is a semi-permanent procedure done by depositing pigment to your brows using tiny needles to create fuller brows. Since it only touches the superficial layer of your skin, brow embroidery is different from an eyebrow tattoo and will last anywhere between 12 months to 2 years, depending on how well you maintain it. Eyebrows may seem like a minor part of your face, but in reality, they can make you look like a different person. By mastering the proper techniques in drawing your brows, or investing in brow embroidery services to combat thinning brows, you can achieve natural-looking brows.